How to enable news and offers notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable news and offers notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find the settings. Here in the top corner, click on it, and then just click this one here, notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, news and offers. And now all you need to do, if you want to enable it, just click on it, and as you see now, you need to wait 2 days and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.